We should have a big dream. Dreams are the seeds of greatness. They are the visions that pull us forward, the goals that inspire us, and the hopes that give our lives direction and meaning. While small dreams help us take daily steps, big dreams are what truly awaken our potential. They challenge us, lift us, and stretch us beyond what we thought possible. That's why we should not just dream. We should dream big. A big dream is more than a simple wish. It's more than wanting to get a good grade, buy a nice car, or earn a promotion. A big dream is a powerful vision, something that excites you and scares you at the same time. It might be becoming a scientist who discovers a cure, building a business that changes lives, writing a book that touches hearts, or creating art that inspires the world. A big dream pushes your limits. It makes you grow. It changes you. Big dreams aren't limited to famous people or those with special talents. Everyone can have a big dream. Whether you're young or old, rich or poor, experienced or just starting out, you have the power to imagine something extraordinary for your life. 1. Big dreams give us purpose. Without a dream, life can feel like a routine. We wake up, go to work or school, eat, sleep, and repeat. A big dream gives you something to live for. It adds color and excitement to your days. It wakes you up in the morning with energy and focus. It keeps you going when life gets tough. People with a purpose are more motivated, more focused, and more fulfilled. A big dream becomes your why, the reason you keep moving forward. 2. Big dreams inspire hard work. When you set your eyes on something big, you naturally begin to work harder. You stop wasting time. You start learning new things. You try again even when you fail. That dream pulls the best out of you. Think of athletes training for the Olympics. Their big dream of winning a medal pushes them to train every single day, even when it's hard. Or think of someone studying for years to become a doctor because their dream is to save lives. Big dreams demand big effort, and they give big rewards in return. 3. Big dreams build confidence. The journey toward a big dream is not easy, but every step forward builds your confidence. As you solve problems, learn new skills, and overcome obstacles, you begin to believe in yourself more. You realize that you are capable of more than you thought. Even if you don't reach the dream exactly as planned, you still grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. And that confidence will help you in every area of life. Big dreams help others. Too many big dreams don't just benefit the dreamer. They help others too. A teacher who dreams of inspiring students may shape future leaders. An inventor who dreams of solving a global problem may improve lives around the world. A dream to start a charity or build a school may give hope to those who have none. When you follow a big dream, you often end up making the world a better place. You create something meaningful. You leave a legacy. 5. Big dreams turn impossible into possible. Almost every great achievement in history started as a big dream. Landing on the moon, creating the internet, ending diseases, fighting for freedom and equality. These were once ideas people thought were impossible. But someone believed. Someone dreamed big and worked hard to make it real. You can be one of those people too. What seems impossible today might just need someone like you to believe in it and fight for it. Never underestimate the power of a dream backed by determination. Common fears that block big dreams. Sometimes people are afraid to dream big. They worry. What if I fail? Failure is part of growth. Every successful person has failed many times. What matters is getting back up and trying again. I'm not talented or smart enough. Talent helps, but hard work matters more. Many successful people started with little. and built their skills through effort. Other people will laugh at me. People may not understand your dream at first, but don't let their doubt stop you. Great ideas are often misunderstood in the beginning. It's too late for me. It's never too late. Many people find their biggest success later in life. What matters is starting now, wherever you are. How to start following your big dream. Having a big dream is just the beginning. Here's how to turn it into action. 1. Write it down. Be clear about what your dream is. Write it in a notebook. Say it out loud. Own it. 2. Break it into steps. A big dream can feel overwhelming, but breaking it into small goals makes it manageable. What can you do today, this week, or this month? 3. Learn continuously. Read books, take classes, talk to experts. Keep growing. The more you learn, the stronger your journey will be. 4. Stay consistent. Progress comes from daily action. Even small steps add up over time. 5. Find support. Surround yourself with people who believe in you. Avoid negative voices that try to limit your vision. 6. Celebrate progress. Every small victory matters. Celebrate your steps. They are proof that you are moving forward. Real-life stories of big dreamers. Malala Yousafzai dreamed of education for girls, even when it was dangerous. Today, she is a global symbol of courage and hope. Elon Musk dreamed of space travel and electric cars. Many people laughed, but he kept going and changed the world of technology. J.K. Rowling had a big dream of writing a magical book. She was rejected many times before Harry Potter became a global success. Big dreams require big belief. One of the most important parts of having a big dream is believing in it, even when no one else does. At first, a big dream can seem too far away. People around you may not understand it. Some may doubt you. Others may even try to talk you out of it. That's when belief becomes your strongest fuel. You must believe in your vision before anyone else does. Remember, the Wright brothers believed in flying machines when most people thought it was impossible. Martin Luther King Jr. believed in equality when it seemed like only a dream. Steve Jobs believed in making technology simple and beautiful. These people didn't wait for approval. They believed and moved forward. When you hold on to your dream with courage and faith, you give yourself the power to keep going through storms, failures, and delays. A dream backed by belief is unstoppable. Every big dream starts. Small big dreams don't come true overnight. They begin with small steps, often humble ones. A writer starts with a single sentence. A singer starts with a single note. A doctor begins with years of study. A business starts with an idea and maybe a few dollars. Don't be discouraged by small beginnings. Every great achievement has a quiet beginning. Don't compare your step 1 to someone else's step 100. Focus on moving forward, little by little, day by day. Your effort matters. Your patience matters. Big dreams require long journeys. But each step brings you closer to that finish line. Obstacles are part of the journey. If you have a big dream, expect challenges. There will be days when you feel like giving up. There will be failures. People will say no. Plans may fall apart. You may lose money, time, or support. But none of that means your dream is impossible. It simply means the road is real. Every successful person has faced obstacles. Walt Disney was told he lacked creativity. Oprah was told she wasn't fit for television. Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before creating a working light bulb. What made them succeed was not perfection, it was persistence. When your dream is big, your reason must be bigger. Hold on to your why. Let your setbacks become lessons, not excuses. Let each challenge build your character. Keep moving, keep adjusting, and keep believing. Dreams create identity. A big dream not only gives you something to aim for, it gives you identity. It answers the question, who am I becoming? If you dream of becoming a teacher who changes lives, you begin to act like a teacher, speak like a leader, and think like someone who can inspire others. If you dream of opening a bakery, you start to see yourself as a creator, a business person, and a risk taker. Your dream becomes part of who you are, and that's powerful. People without dreams often feel lost or unsure of themselves. But when you have a clear dream, you begin to shape your habits, choices, and mindset around that dream. It gives your life a clear direction and deep meaning. Your dream might change the world. Many people think that only famous or powerful people can make a difference. But the truth is, every big change in the world began with someone who simply cared enough to dream big. Think of Malala's dream of education for girls. Think of Greta Thunberg's dream of protecting the planet. Think of millions of people with dreams of peace, justice, and healing. These are not selfish dreams. They are dreams with a mission. What if your dream is exactly what the world needs? What if someone out there is waiting for the book you will write, the app you will build, the school you will start, or the kindness you will show? Never think your dream is too small to make an impact. The world needs more dreamers who care. The world needs your dream. Helping others dream. Big 2. When you dare to dream big and live with purpose, you also give permission to others to do the same. Your courage becomes contagious. Your determination becomes inspiring. Sometimes, just by sharing your dream, you plant seeds in other people's hearts. A younger sibling may watch you chase your goals and feel encouraged to chase theirs. A student may hear your story and decide to never give up. A friend may see your strength and find their own. So, don't keep your dream hidden. Speak it. Share it. Live it boldly. You never know who might be watching, and who might be awakened by your light. Big dreams and time. Some people get discouraged when their dream takes a long time. But remember this: big dreams are not in a hurry. Just like a tree takes years to grow strong roots and produce fruit, your dream needs time to mature. Be patient. The time you spend learning, building, and waiting is not wasted. It's preparing you for success. Sometimes you're not waiting on the dream. The dream is waiting on you to become ready. It's waiting for you to gain wisdom, strength, and courage. So, use your waiting time well. Grow while you wait. Keep moving. Keep learning. In time, your dream will meet you at the right moment. A dream-driven life is a rich life. Living with a big dream is not just about achievement. It's about how you live every single day. When you have a dream, your life becomes more vibrant. You notice opportunities. You feel motivated. You're less likely to waste time. You wake up with energy and sleep with hope. Even on hard days, your dream gives you something to fight for. A dream-driven life is richer, deeper, and more meaningful. It lifts you out of fear and boredom. It fills your heart with purpose and possibility. Final thoughts. Keep dreaming. Keep rising. To dream big is to say, I believe there is more for me. It is a declaration of hope. It is a decision to rise above average and live with passion. If no one else believes in you, believe in yourself. If no one else sees your dream, keep seeing it. If others laugh or doubt, keep building anyway. Let your dream be so big that it scares you. Let it be so strong that it wakes you up in the morning. Let it be so beautiful that it pulls you through hard days. One day, when your dream becomes real, you will look back and be glad you didn't give up. You'll see that everything, every failure, every delay, every lonely night was part of the beautiful path to your big dream. So go ahead. Dream big. Dream boldly. And don't stop. The world needs dreamers like you.